SUVs get stuck. And then your little compact fucking Toyota Corolla with a donut can fucking manhandle this hill like it's nothing.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh, fuck. So much for nothing!
Coasts were in northeastern or southeastern states, were routed first to San Francisco or Los Angeles. All the phony checks I passed in the southwest, northwest, or along the west coasts were first routed to Philadelphia, Boston, or some other point across the continent. My numbers game was the perfect system for floats.
Paketet ka naman siya. Depet market rin, no? Kaya больше способен быть. Pazie.
It's not focusing on him because this is annoying. Oh no. Oh, yeah, he's not happy. Shh. You get your hands back. Alright, go finish packing. This is why you don't do everything you see in commercials. This dude is stuck, man. He's out here cursing the blue streets. Let's see if he gets it this time. This fancy new Jeep. And wait for it. Look at the old Jeep coming down. Oh, he's can't go backwards. Wait. Oh, he got it this time. Come on. This is definitely going on YouTube. I think he needs snow tires. And his fancy Jeep. Yo. Uh-oh. You gotta be fucking kidding me! Yes. Oh my god. Why am I laughing at someone else's pain? Oh my god. Come on, you got it. Oh, maybe not. There you go. He's just making a big ice pile now. He's never gonna get out of here.
How come he was yelling at his own wheel? It can't even hear him!
That's exactly nuts.
Oh my gosh.
He's gonna jack up his car, man. His wheels are so shiny. Look at it. He doesn't have any tread. That's why they're just bald. You can have all the four wheels you want. If they're bald, it ain't doing no good. Oh, there you go. You got it. Come on. No. Maybe not. Look at the actor going by him downhill. See here?
He's like, yo, what? Oh my god. Alright, man, so go ahead and finish packing. This guy's gonna jump out and curse some more.
and burn up his transmission. God, you're kidding me. Dude. Baby, why doesn't he... Why doesn't he just back up and like turn the wheels so he can get some on the asphalt? There we go. There we go. No, he's gonna end up in that sewer tunnel hole. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, he's got it. Why did he stop? He's a nut. He got a fancy car and thought he knew what to do with it.
He's burning rubber now.
He ain't gonna have no tread left. Whatever tread he's got. This is insane.
Oh, don't. Don't.
But he's on the ground and he still can't. He's a nut. Why is he like killing it? He's good. Oh, he can smell his tires.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Oh, Jesus. Oh no, he's gonna get up on the bank. There we go. Don't rev it. Why is he gunning it? Uh-oh.
He needs to just get a shovel. You able to get him?
Don't do it, man. Uh-oh. Oh, roid rage. Oh shit. Jesus Christ. He's very angry. He's very angry. He just cursed out somebody going by who beeped, like, so he wouldn't get hit. He opened it. Fuck you.
Is he leaving?
He's out of control. Oh, hell no.
What's he doing?
He's gonna put paper towels under the tires.
No, he's not.
This is... He almost killed himself because he started getting out and it was still rolling. I don't know what he's gonna do now. So he needs to just breathe and just gun it back down. Oh wait. Alright, but turn the wheel, homie. Oh, here we go, here we go. Come on, you got it, you got it. Watch it. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, he made it. Oh, he's tight.
Dneska bych bez rukavic, čepky, šály a dobrých sněhulí nevykázala i u nás tady sněží. No tak zdravíme i tento kraj. Zdravíme všechny vlnové frekvence, kde teďka u vás zrovna sněží. Pěkný, jo. Prosím, ne. Přišli prosince, pekla. Jo, tímto se vám to nasadíme. To bude z parády. Michal Kaláčník. Každý všední den 9 až 12 na rádiu.